Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are embarking on a journey into the world of homeopathy and shining a spotlight on a homeopathic medicine with the unique healing properties. I'm talking about Magnesia Carbonica, or simply you can say MagCar. So, if you are curious about homeopathy or seeking natural alternatives for certain health concerns, then this video is definitely for you. So, watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. So, join me as we unravel the characteristics, indications, and potential benefits of Magnesia Carbonica in homeopathic medicine. Let's talk about it. So, homeopathic medicine, Magnesia Carb, is prepared from magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate is inactive in its crude form. What? When it undergoes potentization, which is a process of preparing homeopathic medicines that arouses the medicinal properties of a crude substance, then it is converted into a highly beneficial homeopathic medicine that is Magnesia carbonica. It is an important homeopathic medicine to manage various gastric issues, women related problems, toothache, and facial neuralgia. Now, next we'll talk about the constitution of Mecca. So, this medicine is well suited to the person who are nervous, have excessive gas in the abdomen, and have sour smelling sweat. It is also highly suitable for women who suffer from exhaustion and uterine problems. Lastly, it suits children with nervous, irritable temperament and have smelly sweat. Next, we'll talk about the drug action of magnesium carb. So, the most marked action of this medicine is on the gastric system, women's organs, and teeth. Besides, it also acts well on the face and throat. Next, we'll talk about the clinical indications. So, magnesium carb can be used successfully for diarrhea, constipation, colic, belching, vomiting, acidity, heartburn, sore throat, delayed menses, leukorrhea, toothache, neuralgia means nerve pain. Now, in order to make it understandable to you people, now one by one, I will be explaining each and every indication in an elaborated manner so that you can understand this medicine very well. So let's talk about scope of a magnesium carb as a homeopathic medicine. So its first use is for the gastric issues like diarrhea, constipation, gas, pain, and vomiting. So let's talk about it. So, magnesium carb has its most important action on the gastric system. Firstly, it manages cases of diarrhea quite well. In such cases, the stool is watery, greenish, and frothy. White lumps may be seen floating along with the stool. There could be mucus and blood in the stool, and stool is accompanied by stinging pain and pressure in the abdomen. Distension of the abdomen is noted as well. So, before passing stool, pinching in the abdomen and rumbling is felt. And after passing stool, burning is felt at the anus. And this medicine can manage well cases of constipation also. There is a frequent urge to pass the stool. The stool is dry, hard, and crumbling type. It sometimes is hard like a stone, stitching pain in the anus and rectum occurs. Next, it is a well indicated medicine for children who are on breastfeed and are unable to tolerate milk. They either get stomach pain from milk intake or the milk passes undigested. Another complaint where it proves beneficial is gas in the abdomen, along with a rumbling, gurgling, and bloating. There may be cutting pain around the navel, which is relieved by passing gas. It is also administered for the abdomen pain, which gets better from doing a bending double exercise. This medicine is also given in the cases of sour belching and vomiting of bitter food. Heartburns too may be felt. And if heartburn with a sour belching occurs specifically after intake of potatoes, milk, and cabbage, then this medicine is very useful. The next use of meg carb is for the female problems like latent scanty menses, vaginal discharges. So let's talk about it. So it is really suitable medicine for managing certain women related issues. Firstly, its use is considered when the menses appear late and are scanty. The menstrual flow is dark, thick, and sticky. It is accompanied by dragging pain. Before and during the menses, there is a backache and weakness. Menses may be preceded by a headache. And secondly, it is valuable in managing vaginal discharges, that is leukorrhea. So, women who need it complains of white vaginal discharges after periods. Before the discharge, pain is felt in the uterus, and there may occur pinching like of pain around the navel. the discharge causing smarting vaginal pain, especially while sitting or walking. Another very striking feature to use this medicine is sore throat, cold, and nasal blockages before menses. Now, next use of magnesium carb is for the dental issues like toothache, wisdom teeth complaints. So magnesium carb is a benchmark medicine to administer toothache. The pain in the teeth can be tearing, drawing, and burning in nature. The pain may radiate from the teeth to the side of the head. It is useful when the pain in the teeth worsens at night and get better from cold drinks. It also gets worse when one is resting and one gets relief by walking. It can really manage well stinging pain in the teeth after eating. It is also well indicated to manage toothache during pregnancy. And lastly, complaints arising from eruptions of the wisdom teeth are wonderfully managed with this medicine. The next use of meg carb is for the facial issues like pain in the face, that is facial neuralgia. So let's talk about it. It proves very effective in managing facial neuralgia, that is a nerve pain. It is a good choice in cases of left-sided facial pain that is shooting in nature. It gets worse upon being touched due to change in temperature and a cold air exposure. It also gets worse at night and it gets wetter by walking. The last use of magnesium carb is for the throat concern, throat issues like sore throat. So let's talk about it. And this medicine acts magnificently on the throat. It is mostly used in the cases of sore throat and it can be given when there is a striking and the shooting pain in the throat that increases from excessive talking and also while swallowing food. There is a burning sensation which is felt in the throat. Along with this, dryness and roughness is also felt in the throat at times. There may be hawking of the offensive green or cheesy mucus from the throat, a very peculiar complaint of which for which it is a top listed medicine in homeopathy is sore throat before menses. Okay, so these are the various issues, various complaints where Magnesia Carbonica can be used successfully. Now, next we'll talk about the doses. So, magnesium carb works well in both low and high potencies. The potency is chosen individually on case to case basis. Generally, in low potencies, it can be repeated often, but in high potencies, frequent repetition should be avoided. As I always told you guys in my every video about the doses. So don't repeat this medicine in high potency. Okay, it should be avoided. So, in conclusion, I want to say that magnesium carb stands as a versatile and potent homeopathic medicine with a wide range of applications in physical and emotional healing. Its ability to address diverse symptoms with precision makes it an invaluable tool for homeopathic practitioners and individuals seeking natural, holistic approaches to health and well being. So, if you resonate with the described symptoms and are seeking relief from a chronic ailment, consider exploring the potential benefits of magnesium carb under the guidance of a qualified homeopathic practitioner. So, thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, may your journey to health and healing be filled with the vitality and balance. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, helpful, and especially valuable, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of homeopathy and natural healing. Until next time, see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any of the health issues, you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.